This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, blind spot sensor, and power windows. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.